오징어 게임의 세상 속으로 오신 참가자 여러분 환영합니다.
Netflix's new Korean miniseries Squid Game has become hugely popular across the world. It has captured the imagination of people and become a brand in its own right, selling merchandise and even inspiring a cryptocurrency. But that's the irony of this world. Squid Game is apparently a social commentary that takes shots at the capitalistic world we are living in today. Its philosophy lies in the way the world functions now. Money controls everything and everyone. For the uninitiated, capitalism is an economic and political system in which a country's trade and industry are owned by private owners for profit rather than by a state. The stress is on creating more wants for products and services that the people don't necessarily need. Brands are developed through in-your-face advertising to increase demands and in turn, profits. Hence, people spend more than they earn to maintain a lifestyle they can't afford because they've been made to believe that buying equals happiness. What this has resulted in is a deeply depressed world. We are all under some kind of debt, working directly or indirectly for corporates, and hope to be rich and free one day. This is a modern form of slavery. We have all become slaves of capitalism without realizing it. Now let's try to understand this through the Netflix show. The players in Squid Game are common people who are under huge debts and are desperate to turn their lives around. These people are brought to an island to play some games, and the winner is promised a huge sum of money. But the true purpose of this game is the entertainment of some rich people. The players are like products. They don't have names, instead they have numbers. They are expendable, and not just them, the guards too. Their lives don't matter. What matters is the game and the entertainment of rich. In Squid Game, the VIPs represent big corporates with their immoral and illegal practices. The guards are the corporate slaves doing all the dirty work for their bosses. And the players are consumers excited to get offers and rewards and killing each other to win them. This show mirrors the condition of our society where people would do absolutely anything and go as far as possible to become rich. Everyone is looking to win no matter the cost, and the people in power, the people in control know that. Whatever the motive of something, whatever the message, at the end, it all becomes about capitalistic gain. So while Squid Game is a statement against capitalism, it has in reality become a way for its creators and Netflix to earn more profits. But can they be blamed? In this capitalist world, everything demands money, and cinema is an expensive art form. Hence, there is no way investors or people with money would invest in something that isn't supposed to earn them back any profit. If you liked this video and want to see more such content in the future, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.